Ang lahat ng mga pangyayari ay pinapangyari lang ng Diyos para atin siyang hanapin. To reach out for God, to seek God in our lives. Because we need to realize we live and move and have our being. Tayo'y buhay, tayo nabubuhay, nagpapatuloy na nabubuhay dahil sa Diyos. God is the owner, He is the controller, the sustainer, the provider of our lives. Kaya mga kapatid, kung meron man kayong pangyayari, ang Diyos meron lamang ibig ituro sa atin. Mahal tayo ng ating Panginoon. Gaya ng sabi ni Apostol Pablo sa kanyang karanasan at patutuo in 2 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 9. Indeed, we felt we had received the sentence of death, but this happened that we might not rely on ourselves, but on God who raises the dead. Ayon kay Apostol Pablo, anumang karanasan niya, bababasa natin yan sa kanyang mga sulat or epistola. We are facing death all day long again and again.